Welcome back to the KSS YouTube channel. On today's episode, we're at Honda Fest. So we did the like hour and a half drive from my place to Mirabel. So yeah, we're here for the event, but we need to reveal something. We actually made a video on it, but we scrapped it because it just doesn't make sense posting that and then posting this. There wasn't enough footage and stuff. But yeah, here's the news. We put the new turbo on. If you guys follow on the Instagram, this is the new update that's on the 7th gen. We put the same turbo as Aiden, a GT 3582R, or no, not R, just a non-ball bearing, so just a Journal eBay turbo. So yeah, that's the new update on the 7th gen. We're gonna try and do a pass. We're running 15 pounds as opposed to the old 17-ish plus on the old turbo. So yeah, we're gonna try and do a pass. We're actually gonna try and pass Tech, me and Aiden, for the True Street class here. Are we gonna pass? We're not sure, but they only have 8th mile. We're kind of disappointed. We want to see if we can get some PBs today on the quarter. But yeah, we're gonna go try and enter that class. Aiden actually got his slicks in.
Hold on, we got a two-step man.
So Aiden actually got his slicks in, or no, he got his slicks a long time ago, but he just got his rims in yesterday from like 10-day shipping.
Yeah.
About. So yeah, we installed those last night, and then we just got some slicks on them. So yeah, we're gonna go try and pass Tech and see what we can do today.
Yeah.
This is a huge event. I've never been to a Honda Fest.
It's crazy.
It's insane. There are so many cars, and they're all Hondas.
Yeah.
So
gotta love it.
We're gonna go have fun. We're gonna just measure this room. We can take my rolling anti-lag off and put just a take-off two-step. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna go get weighed in right now. Let's go. All right, so Aiden's passing Tech right now. I just passed in the True Street class. I'll show you guys right here. There you go. But yeah, so I passed Tech. Aiden's going right now. He's gonna pass Tech. His car is just as clean as mine, or even cleaner. So he should be fine. We gotta follow times to be at places for qualification, and then there's gonna be a time for the actual finals. So I'm entered for sure. Aiden should enter no problem. So yeah, here we go. It's gonna be fun. Qualified, both me and Aiden, but the thing is that I qualified 15th out of like 16, and I'm going against the second fastest. I believe that's how I understand the numbers, and Aiden is qualified, he's 12 and he's going against the 5th fastest car, so we're probably gonna get kicked out first round, but we made it to the finals, so that's gonna be cool.
Yeah, our first event.
Yeah, first event, made it to the final, that's cool. And we got like 10-15 minutes to get ready and be ready to race, so we're gonna go do that right now. Go check slicks, tire pressures, oil, and make sure we're good to go. Let's go.
I guess we're going home, son.
Yeah, we're going home.
Oh, it was fun either way.
Yeah.
Our first
that was my
event.
worst pass too.
Yeah.
Dude, real racing is crazy. We've never really raced at a tree.
Yeah. It's definitely nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Well,
we made it to the finals though.
We made it to the finals, and we're going home in one piece, so yeah. We gotta appreciate that at least. And we had a good time.
Yeah. So after qualifying, we ended up doing only one round of the finals because, well, we were matched with really faster cars. So yeah, we're just gonna pack up slowly and probably go get some food. Aiden's on his tires right now. I'm gonna have to get on mine after. Then I gotta pack all the stuff, the whole racing box and gas and all the tools. But yeah, so we made it to the finals, but we're not going to finish the finals. So yeah, we're gonna probably document some of the route home, and we'll see you there. We are back from Honda Fest, but we've been actually making a lot of content in the past like week-ish. So this is the outro, like almost a week later, actually a week later. So yeah, Honda Fest was awesome. We had a lot of people from Ottawa, Caleb, Chad, a bunch of other guys came out with us. Their EP3s and an Integra and an EK. It was awesome. We actually ended up competing. That was fun as hell. We both made it back, not broken, and yeah, we're thankful for that. And we definitely want to go next year, and we're gonna start going to more events and actually being present and you know, spread the KSS word.
Yeah, go in the
KSS
competitions
worldwide.
and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the outro for this one, and we'll see you in the next one.